Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in Deep Agent by Abacus AI, and I got something cool to show you guys. I'm going to show you a scary good AI agent. That's right, guys. Deep Agent can do literally everything. You can get rid of your Grok, your ChatGPT, your Claude subscription, and all those other AI subscriptions. Just cancel them now. This can do it all. And what am I talking about? Well, let me show you a few of the things it can do. It's going to blow your mind. Now, when I say that this AI agent, Deep Agent, can do pretty much anything, I mean that, guys. It can do so many things. Here's a high level. Here's just a sample. This is not exclusive. This is not exhaustive. Just a few things. They could build websites front to back. Transparent, you can see the code getting cooked up as it goes. It can build full apps. It can build interactive dashboards. It can even attach the databases to these apps or websites. It does this in real time. It's wild. It can create deep research reports and analysis. It can go ahead and create image, charts, graphs, full presentations. Absolutely crazy. You can connect to all your favorite apps, Gmail, Slack, Gcal, Jira, you name it. It can do it, guys. It can browse the internet. It can book tickets. It can get you reservations at your favorite restaurant. It's got everything in here. It connects to Canva, Figma, Google. It can create your own software as a service app if you're so inclined, and it can combine all of these things as well. So depending on what you're looking to do, it can literally do it all. So I'm going to give you some quick examples. It's unbelievably easy to use, and it's incredibly powerful. Let me show you how to use it. All right, here we go. So we're logged in. Let's get cooking here. The first thing you'll see, I've got multiple tabs open. There's two reasons for that. One, there's a ton of different things, like I said earlier, that you can do with Deep Agent. I'm going to show you how to do a bunch of them. But secondly, you can run Deep Agent 3 at a time. So you can have 3 different instances going. So if you have some heavy lifting and you want to break it into parts, run 3 agent instances at once. It is amazing. Now, on the left side here, you'll see here that we're logged in with this screen. But if we go to the first tab, look at this here. Here's that yoga. We're going to build this, actually. But here, look on the left side. You'll see that we've got the prompt that I typed in. You're a senior UX designer, brand copywriter, etc., etc. Be as specific as you want to be. Let's go ahead and copy this, actually, and just so that we'll use that here. But there you go. You put the prompt in. On the left side here, you'll see it asks you a couple questions to clarify things, and then presto, it creates this unbelievably good website with images. You can deploy it here. You get all the files. You can click on everything, and you can go through this line by line if you're so inclined and get a look at everything. So there you go. And here we go. If we wanted to create a game like the Sudoku game, yes, it's working. This is not just a game. You can literally work it. So if I click on that here, you'll see here that I clicked on the 9, and there we go. Click a cell and enter number 1 to 9. So if I hit 1 there, it is working. Something important. A lot of AI agents will create stuff, but it doesn't work. Well, this one works here. Here's the Mini-CRM, the app that I showed you. If I want to log in, I can go ahead and log in. And guys, here's a technical report that I created. We've got more here. If you want to create your own video, check this out. This should blow your mind.
Time is not what you think it is. I'm Albert Einstein.
What the hell? I did that with literally 2 sentences. I mean, guys, there we go. So, I mean, it just never ends here. It does. Here's a PowerPoint presentation that I can click through here, and it is well formatted. It is all created with the AI agent. I mean, I don't know. Deep Agent is incredible. So here we go. Let's do one here. So here we go. I'm going to go right here to the main page. I'm going to go ahead and close the sidebar. And then presto, just type in what you want here. So here we go. You're a senior UX designer, brand copywriter, Webflow framer developer. Build me a fast, accessible, mobile-first website for a yoga brand. But you know what? Maybe we want this to be a dog daycare brand. And then the brand's going to be Paw Patrol. And there we go. It's in Vancouver, which is where I live here. I want Stripe to be integrated. This is extremely important, guys. We integrate payments. I don't know of any other AI agent that does this. Well, Deep Agent does it here, and we'll even create a lead magnet. Once you've got what you want in here, make this as specific as you want. Click the go button here, and watch what happens here. Deep Agent's going to do some thinking, but it also keeps the human in the loop. So not only is it a good AI agent, it keeps you in the loop, so you can ask or you can respond to questions so that you don't go all the way down the rabbit hole and find out you got it wrong or the AI agent didn't understand you. So here are the 3 questions. It's asking me, is this for a dog daycare business or a yoga studio? Yeah, good question. Dog daycare. And then if it's Paw Patrol, the actual business name you want to use, Or do you want to use something else? Dougie, Paw Patrol, whatever. You can type in anything you want. Booking system, yes, I want a booking system. Contact form, yes. Again, type in whatever you want, guys. Watch this. Here, it's now cooking. It's taken in my input. It asks clarifying questions. I'm going to come back when this is done in a few seconds here, show you what we got, and then I'm going to show you a few other examples while I got you. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got here. So here we go. We built a mobile-first website for Doggy Paw Patrol. Right side here, you'll see it cooked up the website. These are all active pages, so we can click on any one of those. Let's look at the home page first here. It created its own nice design here. I got the yellows here, the dark yellow, the nice lighter yellow. It's using real images. Look at that. That looks like a bit of a kennel here. Dog socialization. It did all of this from just that one prompt we put in here. Exercise and play, personalized care, ready to give your dog the best day ever. Yeah, book a session, view your pricing plans. I wonder if the pricing even works. Holy smokes, the pricing even works. Holy crap. Look at this, guys. This is all this is bonkers. Wow, it's all here. Services, you'll see that here. If you want to go to the about, you can click on there. Why pet parents trust us? This would have taken me days to create. We did this in minutes. And just so you know, if you want to deploy it, again, go up here, click on the deploy button. Alternatively, you can go through this line by line so you can see everything that it did here. So if you want to click on anything here, this is the schema.prisma. This is the types.ts or TypeScript. All of the code is here as well. You can download all the files. If I hover here, it says files. Click that here, click in, download every single file here, including the website content, PDF. So if you want to write something else in there, go ahead and do that. I mean, I don't know what else to say, guys. This is pretty unbelievable. And yes, it did it all with literally that. This is an AI agent. This is scary good. Literally, if you want to deploy it, click the deploy button. You can put it on an Abacus domain. If you have your own domain, or maybe you've got your own subdomain, you can go ahead and click there, type it in, and deploy it. It's the real deal, guys. Those are just some of the examples here that you can use Deep Agent for. It is scary good. It is the best AI agent on the market, in my opinion. Links in the description below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.